Hello and welcome everyone. If you're new to this show, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with Software Engineers. If you're new, then subscribe to this channel because on this channel I share ideas, insight, tools and tactics. So if you really want to grow 2 times to 4 times faster in the IT industry, then subscribe now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Dear sir, please tell about .NET developer future in this scenario and after the pandemic too. And is there any chances that to get on-site opportunity in .NET domain? See Durga, Microsoft is still one of the topmost software development companies in the world. It's the topmost, and Microsoft is the proponent of .NET. Okay, .NET is nothing but .NET is a complete suite of tools and technologies by which you can build any level of application. Okay, and now with Azure Cloud, you can build any kind of a .NET application on Azure Cloud. So on Azure Cloud, all the application that you can build, you can use the entire set of tools and technologies that are given by .NET. Correct? .NET is not just the programming language. If you're thinking that I know C# programming language, so I know .NET, no. There are various tools and technologies. There is WCF, correct? There is the technology to build forms. There is a technology for cloud computing. There is a now they are having entity framework, which is a technology for handling data. So there are various tools and technologies which are involved in the .NET framework. Okay, so if you are a master of the .NET framework, then the scope is very good. Now, if you compare the .NET scope with the year 2003 or 4, when .NET was at peak, when .NET was released, .NET was released in the year 2000, and then it achieved a peak in the year 2003 or 2004, because at that point of time, Microsoft servers were the most popular servers. They were in-house servers where people were installing Microsoft server in-house, and .NET technology was helping in building applications on top of this server. So multi client application, which means that the same application can run on multiple desktops from one location, or even web applications using ASP.NET. So it was possible to build web application using ASP.NET, which was again the part of the .NET framework. So in 2004, .NET became really popular. But if you consider today Java, because it's an open source framework, Python, because it's an open source framework, is more popular than .NET. But is .NET going anywhere? No, .NET is not going anywhere because lots and lots of companies have invested in the .NET technology. 33% of the industry still uses .NET for all their applications and for managing a lot of their IT infrastructure, the digital transformation. That for that, .NET is still the core technology that people use. Okay, so .NET is not going anywhere. There is a huge scope, but again, like I said earlier, with respect to SAP, specialize in things within .NET, specialize in WCF, specialize in entity framework, specialize in some of the new technologies within .NET like holocentric. Okay, specialize in AR/VR, specialize in something which maybe .NET itself has its own robotic process automation tools. Specialize in those tools, because when you start specializing, it is because of your specialization that you will start getting, you will start differentiating yourself from other software developers. Okay, so that way you can keep yourself focused on .NET but also become a specialized person within the .NET technology. Are you getting that point? So Durga, the scope of .NET developer is high, very high, I would say. Okay, learn how to build applications for Azure platform. Also learn some specializations within the .NET framework, and you will be always in demand. Okay, create your own demand. Okay. Also, if you want to grow in the software industry, and if you want salary increases, promotions, and all the best benefits within a company, then check out my program, How to Become an A Player. That program will help you to the next level of success. Thank you very much.